Hi, I'm Joel Hamner with the law firm McCutcheon Hamner. Today I want to talk to you about why should you choose McCutcheon Hamner. I know there are hundreds, if not thousands, of attorneys out there who are promoting themselves as personal injury lawyers. You can't turn on the TV these days without seeing an attorney commercial or a billboard driving down the road. And I admit, Tom and I both advertise. But we're different, and we're different in this sense. Tom and I only do personal injury work. What concerns me is I know there's those firms out there who, for example, they represent insurance companies kind of in the background. We don't do that at McCutcheon Hamner. Tom and I have never represented an insurance company, and we never will. I don't see how some of these firms are able to do that. To me, it's an inherent conflict of interest. We strive to represent injured people. We realize that when you've been injured, you don't know what to do. Medical bills are piling up. Bills are coming in. Maybe you can't work. You're not drawing a paycheck. You don't know how you're going to survive this. The reason that you hire us is because we've got the experience, the ability, and the knowledge of how to help you through this moment. Tom and I have been practicing, like I said, I've been practicing now for 25 years, Tom for 30. And we've dedicated ourselves to helping injured people. Tom and I go that extra mile to make sure that we know how to properly handle your case. One thing that we see every day, and it's becoming more and more common in my industry, in my business, I guess I should say, is they're Birnam and Birnam firms, is what I like to call them. And what they'll do is they'll get your case in, and they'll try and settle it as quick as possible. Now, Tom and I are the same way. We want to get you the most money in the least amount of time. But the difference between us and everyone else is that Tom and I try cases. We have some of the largest verdicts in North Alabama. We have in car accidents and other type cases. Just this past year, we received one of the largest car accident verdicts ever in Lauderdale County. And we've made that commitment to be trial lawyers. Of course, we want to resolve your case in settlement if we can. Probably 90% of all cases settle. But the only way to maximize value for our clients and get them the most money is that if we take your case and we treat it like it's going to go to trial. That's how we're different. Tom and I work each case individually. We don't hand your file off to some paralegal and ask her just to order medical records and write up a demand letter and send it off to the insurance company. We don't do that. We've realized that in order to get the most money for our clients, we have to treat every file like it's going to trial. Whether that file is a $10,000 case or a $10 million case, you treat them the same. The insurance companies know that, and they know that McCutcheon Hamner, if we don't settle, we'll try the case. We have no problem walking in the courtroom. There's a lot of these guys that are out there now that you see on TV and everywhere else. They've never once set foot in a courtroom. They've never tried a case. McCutcheon Hamner, we pride ourselves on being personal injury trial lawyers.